Beautiful Volkswagen Golf Match 1.4 TSI in shadow blue metallic. Just absolutely stunning colour, in direct from the last owner. It is beautiful. 2012 on a 62 plate with around £1,000 worth of factory fitted options. Great value for money. This 1.4, 122 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox. Great family car, great spec on it. Just 2 owners from new with full documented service history. Let's take you all the way around it. It's got front and rear parking sensors. And just look at that colour. Nice rich colour. Great size boot on these VW Golfs. You've got split folding rear seats, through load facility, so you can carry a fishing rod, bits of wood, skis, or whatever you want to fancy. Car also comes with a spare wheel, complete toolkit there, including lock and wheel bolt. Lovely and clean, not been abused. All the loading area nice and clean. It really is a very nice example for its age and mileage. No major dents, scratches or scrapes. Of course you're going to get the odd 1 or 2 marks on the vehicle. All the tyres are in great condition. Full set of matching Michelin tyres. Rear privacy glass. All the wheels are in light grey anthracite. All in very good condition. Just the front couple have got slight little marks on them, but nothing major, no major chunks or anything. Again, the front tyres you can see in great condition. As you can see, the wheel, just the odd mark there. And again, across the front it's got front parking sensors, headlight power washers, which is part of the winter pack. And again, across the front, no major history to shout about as such, any damage or anything. As I mentioned, the odd stone chip here or there, and the odd mark, but nothing major whatsoever. Just hope the camera picks that up. Absolutely beautiful. Again, the close-up of the front offside wheel. Again, no major damage to that. Plenty of tread on the tyre again, and all down the sides. As I mentioned, Michelin tyres all round, and the final wheel. And this is why I do the videos, to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency. Give you the confidence to buy this car direct 24/7 off our website. Lovely clean inside. It's got the grey cloth upholstery. Little bags of room in there. Centre armrest folds back up again, drops down. All the upholstery, non-smoker's car, all the headlining, all in great condition. No nasty smells in the vehicle. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated door mirrors. Again, the door trim's in great condition. The upholstery in absolutely beautiful condition. No damage to that. Not worn out on the bolsters. Mileage of just 65,547. That's what it's done, 65,547. So low mileage for its age, with full service history as I mentioned. Passenger door trim, again, very good condition, no damage to that. All the dashboard is in great condition, no damage to the dashboard. Stereo CD, DAB radio, great sound system of the vehicle. All the functions nice and clear. Get the sound exactly how you want it. All nice and clear on the dashboard. Set the vehicle up however you want it again, with various functions. Media input, Bluetooth phone connection, manual air conditioning. Part of the winter pack, you also have heated front seats, 3-position heated seats, 6-speed manual gearbox, cup holders, aux input, media input, leather multifunction steering wheel, again various controls on there for the stereo system, all nice and easy. Onboard computer, again the menu across there, all nice and easy. Tells you when the next service is due, which is quite a while ago. So it's nearly 10,000 miles before the next service. It's all up to date. Cruise control, and sunglass holder. So there we have it, our beautiful Golf Match 1.4 TSI 122 brake horsepower, just 2 owners, full service history, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure. Ask about our great finance offers. Any further information we're always on hand on 01782 822 700, and we do the videos to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency, giving you the confidence to reserve this car 24/7 out of our website. Remember, you can reserve this car 24/7, click and reserve, and when you come to get the vehicle, if you feel the vehicle is not as described, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Any further information, our phone number again is 01782 822 700. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles at 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.